Open Networking Summit is back in sunny Santa Clara for 2016, but one thing has changed. ONS is now part of the Linux Foundation. By embracing the broader open source ecosystem, ONS is bringing more members of the open source community into the networking conversation. That critical move makes sense, as increasingly network operators want open source to not only more rapidly advance technology and innovation, but also provide practical solutions to their problems.
And there were many technologies which came at different layers, and some of them were sort of not sitting between those layers or in between those layers, for example, PBT versus MPLS. But that stack continued to be a sort of a guiding force for us to evolve different technologies at various levels of stack.
The open source industry is realizing that creating such practical solutions is going to require more effective integration and orchestration of the open source parts to create real solutions and deployable products. Thus, we are seeing new open source efforts, such as the Open Orchestrator or OPEN-O initiative.
Our mission is to focus on end-to-end service agility. This means making it faster and easier for service providers to develop and launch new services for the community.
Where Linux itself has had to interact, define, participate in the standards development process. And often we have actually worked with other organizations to help them refine their intellectual property models and sharing models in order to meet the needs of an organic, self-forming community that may not have one particular entity or individual design or the dotted line for some sort of arrangement. All of these things can be overcome. We have already overcome them in Linux, and we will absolutely make them work as smoothly and as effectively through the OPEN-O project.
Huawei is one of the companies pushing these practical solutions forward, emphasizing cooperation with partners and customers such as China Unicom, with whom they are promoting ONOS commercialization. Huawei can now provide network operators the tools to make software-defined networking work to evolve current networks and solve business problems around the world. Most notably, the development of Protocol Oblivious Forwarding, or POF, and online labs signal a new era for SDN.
So POF stands for Protocol Oblivious Forwarding, which is an innovation technology for the network data plane.
Okay.
So the basic idea is to open the data plane programmability to the users through an open and standard interface.
Key to any use of open source is the ability to orchestrate the many moving parts and to introduce virtualization alongside legacy systems and enable the two to work seamlessly in delivering a service.
The purpose of the SDN orchestrator is to abstract the network so that you can deliver the complex network services on demand. Traditionally, this is a very difficult thing for the operators to be able to do. The SDNO does this by consolidating all of that service logic and functionality into a single orchestration component to automate the full life cycle.
As a global technology leader, Huawei is working with key open source organizations such as ONOS, OPEN-O, and OPEN-O to continue to build the open source ecosystems needed to advance the goals of virtualization.
We strongly believe those innovative and open solutions and technology will help the operators to do their business transformation more successfully to support the video, the cloud, and the IoT.